What's up, my YouTubers? Today we're doing a review of my RC car, SC10, Team Associated, best RC car in the market, for my opinion. And before I show you the guts, this is the battery I'm running. Got my nice quick charger. It's all there, so don't make fun of me. Just a starter. I don't get too much into this part, it's just my body. The sticker is added. The sticker is added. That came with the battery. That one came with the battery. I colored this myself. This one, I got myself. This is mine. These two are mine. This one is mine. That one's mine. That I got off of my stickers. I colored that one. I'm a pretty good colorer. I colored that one, and this one I'll focus in this time. And number 66 and number 69. Pretty stiff body. And my toolbox. I'm also a BMX rider. Here's what the controller comes with. I lost my back cover to this, so just taped on there. And this is everything on here is stock. Everything's metal. I had an old Team Associated, but I sold it. That thing sucked. It was all plastic. Sorry about that. My holds battery in more. My battery holder. My steering servo. My servo. Stock tires. A good song, turn it on. And the stock motor. It's an awesome motor. But that one's getting old. Change it pretty soon. This you might want to change, like if you race constantly. This is what you want to change if you race constantly. If you race constantly, you gotta get, if you're like professional and you just get the truck right out of the box, you want to race every day, buy an extra motor, change this out, get a faster steering servo. And this isn't LiPo, but I would suggest LiPo. They run longer. And make sure you get extra gears, some new springs, but these ones are pretty good. Tires are pretty nice tires they comes with. Oh yeah, these are stickers came off my battery. What I usually carry in my case is a busted toothbrush, like the brush out. I race on a carpet track. It helps because carpet track stuff gets everywhere. You don't need like in the motor, and that motor that's in that RC car is brushed. If you race constantly, you might need brushless. Not right away though. Some extra body clips. Tiny screwdriver. Your RC car will come with some Allens, but I just packed some of my own. Some spacers for your hydraulics or your shocks. my battery is really expensive, and I bought it, and it came with lots of extra adapters. I shouldn't say lots. It came with 3. All the adapters came in the box with it. And it comes with some of the like tire wrenches. They wear it really fast. Here's the front tire. And that's all I have for the toolbox. And then this thing with the stock motor, it rips. It really does. Like, it really does rip. The steering shovel, pretty good. Like I'm telling you guys right now, I'm not like in the sport. Like, I'm not racing professional or anything. So I just keep my stuff stock. Anything breaks, I'll put a better part in it. And if that breaks, put a better part in it. And this cap right here comes off. You got your slipper clutch in there. Tighten that with a wrench or whatever. It's like same nut. It's this, but it's in that case. And it comes with the plug. Keep the dust out. And it's not waterproof. The SC10 Team Show Shade is not waterproof. And the reason why I don't race a lot, because when I race it's $5 a night, and you only get to race 3 times. You have to pay for a tracker, like it tells how many laps you've done, how many minutes, and how many times you raced. That's $5. Races start at 6 and 8. Only 1 full hour racing. Yeah. I lost my middle piece in here. That's why these things are on here. There would be a belly thing right here. The battery go under there, and it'd sit right there. You turn these to lock it in place. I don't know where it is. And they make humpbacks. I don't know what you guys know what that is, but it's a battery. It's a battery. It's on top right here. I usually call it a humpback. And that's all I think I got to do today. And this is the professional part I pretty much have. This is the truck holder. This is my room. Some San Andreas going on here. Going off professional. I BMX too. I got a BMX bike. I'll show that in some other videos, but here's my style. I love music, as you can tell. There's a radio right there, and them are the speakers for it. This is a surround sound hooked up to my phone, and right here hooks up to the back of this surround sound. I got these little speakers all over, but I don't got them plugged in because it's got this back. And you got a big boy right here. As you can tell, it's in a mess right now. Nothing on this works. Nothing works. Gotta use the remote. And that's all I gotta do today, folks. FM4S, it's keeping up. It's getting pretty slow here. Pretty good shape though. got a new PS3 controller for Christmas. I play online. Pretty boss. There's PS3. I play that a lot. When I start playing it, I can't stop. Like, I'll play it for a whole month. Even with the PS2, I started like a couple days ago. I played every day, every night since. So, talk to you guys later. Peace. Sleep, eat, BMX.